Most Americans want to start investing, but they think $500 isn't enough. But what if I told you that even $500 can completely change your financial future? Today I'll show you the simplest, most beginner-friendly way to invest $500 in the US using ETFs, the S&P 500 and fractional shares in the easiest possible way. Let's begin. Imagine your $500 growing on its own, automatically, without you doing anything. And the best part, you don't need to be rich. You just need to start. Why $500 actually matters? People underestimate $500. They think it's too small. But they forget the power of compounding, the silent magical force of investing. If $500 grows at the historical average of the S&P 500, that's around 10% a year. You turn $500 into $1,300 in 10 years. You're not just buying an investment. You're buying time. And time multiplies your money more than anything else. What not to do with $500? Before I show you where to invest, let me tell you what not to do. Number 1. Don't buy random individual stocks. That's not investing. That's gambling. Number 2. Don't chase hype. Don't throw your money into whatever your friend or TikTok influencer is promoting. And number 3. Don't go all in on crypto with your first $500. Start simple, start safe. The best way to invest $500. So what should you invest in? The answer is simple: ETFs. An ETF is a basket of many different stocks. Instead of buying just one company, you buy hundreds at once. It's safe, diversified, and perfect for beginners. S&P 500, the ultimate starter investment. The best place to start is the S&P 500. This index holds the 500 biggest companies in America. Companies like Apple, Amazon, Google, Microsoft, all inside one single investment. For over 50 years, the S&P 500 has averaged around 10% per year. So when you invest in an S&P 500 ETF, you're buying a tiny piece of the entire American economy, fractional shares. And here's the good news: you don't need to buy a full share. Platforms like Robinhood, Fidelity, Schwab, they let you buy fractional shares. So even if a stock costs $300, you can invest just $10. No barriers, no excuses, the exact $500 plan. Here's the perfect beginner plan. Take the full $500 and put it into a low-cost S&P 500 ETF such as WU, SPY or IV. Simple, safe, long-term. What to do after investing? So you've invested the $500. Now what? Easy. Leave it alone. Let it grow. Don't panic sell. Don't check it every day. And most importantly, keep adding more. $20, $50, $100 a month. Small consistent steps build massive long-term results. Your real power isn't in having a lot of money. Your real power is consistency. If you start with $500 and add just $100 a month, you can build over $200,000 over time. Yes, from simple small steps. You don't need to be lucky. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to start today. Your future self will thank you for this moment. This is Money Roots, where your financial journey truly begins. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.